So, you've finally found your dream home? But what if it's hiding something that could cost you thousands? Stick with me, because today, we're pulling back the curtain on the hidden costs of buying a home in the USA. And trust me, these are things you do not want to find out after you've signed the dotted line. Buying your first home is exciting, right? But here's the part nobody talks about. The extra costs that sneak up on you and drain your budget fast. You save for the down payment, thinking you're all set. But then BAM fees, taxes, and surprise expenses start piling up. In this video, I'll walk you through the biggest hidden costs of buying a home, plus smart tips to save money and avoid rookie mistakes. Let's make sure your dream home doesn't turn into a financial nightmare. You're almost at the finish line. Then come the closing costs. These can be 2% to 5% of the home's price, which means if you're buying a $300,000 home, you'll need an extra $6,000 to $15,000 on top of the down payment. This covers things like loan setup fees, title insurance, appraisal, escrow charges, and sometimes even attorney fees depending on your state. Quick tip: always request a loan estimate and a closing disclosure from your lender. These documents break everything down so you're not left guessing. And yes, some of these fees are negotiable, so don't be afraid to ask. Tip number 2, never skip the inspection and appraisal. Think of the home inspection as your home's health checkup. It usually costs $300, $600, but it can uncover hidden issues that could cost thousands to fix later. Then there is the appraisal required by your lender to make sure you're not overpaying. That's another $400, $700. These aren't optional, they're your safety net. Tip number 3, budget for property taxes. They add up fast. Property taxes can feel like a punch to the wallet if you're not prepared. In some states, like New Jersey, taxes are over 2% of your home's value. That's $6,000 a year on a $300,000 home. And here's the kicker: you might even have to prepay part of those taxes at closing. So before you buy, check the local rates. This isn't a one-time cost, it's forever. Tip number 4, you'll need homeowners insurance. And maybe more lenders won't give you a loan without homeowners insurance. Expect to pay $1,000 to $2,000 per year, depending on where you live and what coverage you choose. Live in areas prone to floods, hurricanes, or earthquakes. Yep, you'll likely need extra policies. That means extra costs. Tip number 5, put down less than 20%. Say hello to PMI if your down payment is under 20%. You'll probably be hit with private mortgage insurance, or PMI. It protects the lender, not you. And it can cost between 0.5% and 1% of your loan amount every year. That's $1,500 to $3,000 extra per year on a $300,000 loan. Ask your lender when PMI can be removed, usually once you build enough equity in your home. Tip number 6, homeownership means maintenance. Constantly new. Homeowners are often shocked by how much goes into just maintaining their property. Experts recommend saving 1% of your home's value per year for repairs and upkeep. That's $3,000 a year on a dollar. And if your home is older or needs work, that number can go way up, especially in your first year. Tip number 7, HOA fees can be a monthly surprise. Love the idea of a gated community or shared amenities? Great, but it often comes with HOA fees, monthly or annual charges that can range from $50 to $500 plus. These cover things like landscaping, security, or pool maintenance. What are the rules? What does the fee cover? Are there any special assessments coming up? Tip number 8, utilities and moving aren't cheap either. Once you move in, your bills begin. Water, electricity, internet, trash, gas. These can easily cost $200, $400 per month, depending on where you live and how efficient your home is. And let's not forget the move itself. Whether it's a DIY truck rental or a full-service moving team, expect to spend $500 to a few $1,000, plus furniture and setup costs. Buying a home is an amazing milestone, but it's not just about the price tag on Zillow. You've got to budget for the whole picture: the hidden costs, the maintenance, the long-term responsibilities. Now, you're armed with the knowledge to buy smarter. Which of these hidden costs surprised you the most? Drop a comment below and share your experience. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss out on smart real estate tips.